Truth. We are one. Truthful breathing is Surya Beda, sun-piercing breath. Surya Beda magnifies the sun channel and promotes a vitality and clarity within. We'll be inhaling through the right nostril, closing both nostrils and retaining the breath, and then exhaling out the left side repeatedly. So using your right hand, your ring finger, close off your left nostril so you can inhale through the right. And then retain the breath. Close both nostrils with your thumb and ring finger. And then release the ring finger so you can exhale out the left side. And repeat again. Inhaling right. Retain the breath in the center. And exhaling left. Continue at your own timing. And after some time, you can let go of the breathing practice and simply focus on the sun, vitality, and energy. Truth meditation. So bring your awareness to your calm and sweet breath. And then begin to turn towards your third eye. That may be the forehead center, the brow, behind your eyes, or the midbrain. And let your awareness settle in the third eye. And then with your easy breath, each inhale, you can say to yourself, the life force is in me. And as you exhale, I am in the life force. A few times. Inhaling, the life force is in me. Exhaling, I am in the life force. And then letting go and continue to focus on the single point in the third eye, as if gazing at a single white twinkling star with an indigo night sky all around. And simply allow polarities to dissolve and rest your focus on this single white twinkling star.